If you need to hire contractors for your organization's routine maintenance, renovations, repairs, and simple construction projects, then you have your work cut out for you. Construction procurement is complex and time-consuming. Projects need to be approved, funded, and advertised. Then there's negotiations over price and project scope. That's a lot of time and effort for a simple construction job. And the work doesn't end once the project starts. You are also on the hook to track every dime you spend to maximize available funding and protect yourself and your organization from an audit. That's a lot of responsibility. That's why Gordian offers job order contracting, or JOC, to empower you to purchase construction services efficiently and get the best value for every dollar you spend. Gordian's JOC solutions enable you to complete many construction projects through one competitively awarded contract. Here's how it works. First, Gordian's cost engineers develop a unit price book called a Construction Task Catalog, or CTC for short. The CTC is tailored specifically to your needs and for your location for maximum accuracy. Then we'll help you reach out to local contractors so they understand everything they need to know, including how to bid on a JOC program and how this unique contract creates the potential for a steady stream of work. Contractors bid on your unit price book one time, instead of bidding each construction project as it's identified. Once awarded, you have contractors at the ready to respond to your needs. Each Gordian JOC project follows a proven process, beginning with a joint scope meeting at the job site to make sure the scope of work is clearly defined and agreed upon by everyone. After the joint scope meeting, the awarded contractor builds a price proposal using your custom CTC, eliminating price negotiations. Before the proposal reaches you, your Gordian rep checks to make sure it contains every task necessary to complete your project, and nothing more. Once you approve a price proposal, Gordian's collaborative, purpose-built software lets you set milestones to keep your project on track and gives you an auditable, electronic record of every dollar you spend. With a Gordian JOC program, you have access to contractors motivated to take on projects of all sizes and scopes, preset costs built for your program, intuitive program management software, and the assistance of a Gordian specialist to make sure your proposals are accurate and your projects go smoothly. That's why today, organizations trust Gordian's job order contracting with more than $2.6 billion in construction volume every year. Visit our dedicated job order contracting page to learn more about how a Gordian JOC program enables you to purchase construction services faster and for the best value.